Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the pound yen on the daily looks like we have a completion of a five-wave impulsive move, and then we have an impulsive down. I think we have corrective up, and we're probably impulsive down again for a wave C. So I think what's going on is we have a wave two, and we're in an ABC. Well, we have a wave one, and we're in an ABC of two now. My target for a wave two is normally, or a wave C of wave two is normally the 100% Fibonacci extension. But most wave twos do take out the structure of wave four, so we might be more likely to target the 138 area for the end of this wave two, and then potentially the continuation of the uptrend for a wave three. So keeping that in mind, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. I wouldn't want to go short right now. I would only want to go short on three-way pullbacks. So if it does, at some point, which I have no idea when it will, but if it does make another three-way pullback, that is the opportunity I would be looking for. I wouldn't be trying to go long. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now at the bottom of a move, but I definitely would be looking to go short if it makes another three-way pullback, potentially for the continuation of what I think is a wave C of wave two on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.